எல்லோருக்கும் நமஸ்காரம். On behalf of Fine Arts Society, we invite you to this evening's திருப்பாவை உற்சவம். மார்கழி, ஆண்டாள், திருப்பாவை இந்த வார்த்தைகளை நினைத்தாலே நம் மனதில் பக்தியும் தெய்வீக சிந்தனையும் நிரம்புகிறது. திருப்பாவையில் 30 பாசுரங்கள் இருக்கின்றன. ஓரொரு பாசுரமும் பக்தி மனமும் தமிழ் அழகும் நிறைந்தது. The Tirupavai is not just a prayer to Lord Krishna. It's an example of eloquent Tamil poetry and extreme emotional beauty coupled with spiritual divinity. Srimati Chitra Raman this evening will take us on an audio-visual journey, which combines splendid colors and artistic beauty to depict the journey of young Andal to reach holy communication with Lord Krishna. Chitra is a Chemburite of several years. A resident of Mysore colony, she began her education at the SIWS school, moving on to do graduation in economics at Ruia College. She worked with HPCL for some years until she became interested in doll making and began dedicating all her spare time to making dolls. Not just dolls for little girls to play with, but dolls which became a part of her depiction of stories from the religious literature. Not only Tirupavai, but the stories of the Alvars, Bhagavat Ramanuja, and other compositions of Andal like Varanamayiram also became themes for her imaginative presentation. I have pleasure in inviting Chitra to make her presentation of Fine Arts Society's Margazhi Utsava.
Thank you. Thank you, Rama.
All the best.
Hello, friends. Yeah. Hello, friends. Thank you for removing the time for seeing the presentation of Andal's Tirupavai, which I have depicted in soft toys. Today is the 24th day in Margazhi month, and today's pasuram is Andri Ulagalanda Nadipotri, which I have shown in the presentation. So please enjoy my presentation, which follows.
Namaste Sabai. I'm Chitra Raman. I'm going to show a virtual presentation of Tirupavai written by Andal, depicted by me in soft toys. Andal was found by Periyalvar in his garden in Shivaliputtur in Tamil Nadu. She was incarnation of Bhuma Devi. Andal grew up with intense devotion to Lord Krishna and aspired to wed Krishna. The month of Margazhi is famous for Andal's Tirupavai, which is 30 verses for 30 days of Margazhi dedicated to Lord Krishna. Tirupavai is the essence of Vedas. I have shot videos of 30 pasurams created by me with soft toys. I will be showing you some important pasurams in this presentation. Now, the first pasuram, Margazhi Tingal Madhinireindha Nannalal. Andal says, in the month of Margazhi, known for its moonlit nights, Andal is inviting the other Gopikas of Gokula, which is overflowing with wealth, who are decked with lovely jewels, to join her for the holy bathe in the river. She tells them that the lion-like son of Yashoda and Nandagopa, Lord Krishna, who slays evil ones with his sharp spear and is radiant with eyes glowing like sun and moon, will definitely bless them in their unique prayer. She urges that this sacred prayer be conducted in such a manner as to earn the appreciation and praise for all. Now, the first pasuram Margazhi Tingal depiction follows.
மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாளால் நீராட போதுவி போதுமினோ நேரிழையே நீராட போதுவி போதுமினோ நேரிழையே சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வச் சிறுமிதாள் சீர்மல்குமாய் பாடி செல்வச் சிறுமிதாள் கூர்வில் குழல் யசோதை இளஞ்சிங்கம் ஏறாந்த கண்ணி யசோதை இளஞ்சிங்கம் கார்மேனி செங்கண் கரிமதியம் போல் முகத்தால் கார்மேனி செங்கண் கரிமதியம் போல் முகத்தால் நாராயணனே நமக்கே நாராயணனே நமக்கே பாரி தருவான் பாலும் புகழ படிந்தேலொரம் பாவாய் பாலும் புகழ படிந்தேலொரம் பாவாய்.
Now Andal is on the way to wake up all the gopis and seek the blessings of Lord Krishna. In the seventh Pasuram, Kichiki Chendru, Andal, on their way to the river for the holy bath and prayer, are going from house to house and inviting the other young gopikas to join them. In one of the houses, the young gopi is still asleep. Andal and the other urges her that the day has begun with the chirping of the Bharatwaja birds, tinkling noises of the gopis churning curds, and the singing the praises of the Lord who killed the demon Keshi. In the midst of all this, how could the gopi sleep? This is not befitting the radiant young maid who should be leading the group. So they urge her to hurry up and get ready to bathe in the river and pray so that their commendable and unique prayer shall be fruitful. Now, the Pasuram Kichaki Chendra Ane Chatan Kalanda depiction follows. This is the ninth Pasuram. Andal is going around the place calling all the gopis to join her in the prayer. In one such house, a high-raised mansion studded with gems, fragrant with incense and well lit with lamps, is a young gopi still sleeping. Andal asks her to get up and open the gem-studded door. When she does not respond, she urges the gopi's mother to help them by waking her. She asks if the daughter is deaf or dumb, that is she silent in spite of all her calls, or is she in deep slumber that one gets into the early morning hours, or has anyone cast a wicked spell on her while all are singing praises of Lord Krishna? She is still sleeping, oblivious of all these things. Andal urges her to wake up and join them in singing the many names of the Lord so that their unique prayer shall be fruitful. Now, the ninth Pasuram, Thumani Madathu Chutrum Vilakkeriya depiction follows.
பக்தியா வருதுன்னு பார்த்துட்டு இருக்காங்க.
Now the 10th Pasuram, Notrachvargam. In another house, the gopis is neither opening the door nor answering them. Andal says, "O young lady, merited to reach heaven through the auspicious prayers, if you do not wish to open the door, should you not speak also? Lord Narayana, wearing fragrant tulsi on his head, will certainly answer our prayers and bless us. It looks as though Kumbhakarna, who was one day many years ago slain by Lord Rama, lost out to you and gifted you his sleep. You are like a jewel among in our group. Shed this lady's slumber. Wake up peacefully. Open the door and join us. Our commendable and unique prayer shall be fruitful." Now the 10th Pasuram, Notrichvargam Pugugindra Ammanai, depiction follows. Now Andal, after waking up all the gopis, have reached the doorstep of Nandagopal's palace. There, Jaya and Vijaya are standing. This is the 16th Pasuram. Here, the young gopis have come to meet Lord Krishna at their house of their leader Nandagopa. The entrance of the palace is well decorated with resplendent flags and festoons. They appeal to the guard at the entrance not to stop them because Lord Krishna has promised them the previous day itself that he would grant them the musical instrument and his blessings. So they have come with pure heart and mind to his doorsteps to sing his praises early in the morning and seek his blessings. They urge the guard not to come in their way with his words. They plead that instead he should assist them by opening the gem-studded door of the palace so that their commendable and unique prayer can be fruitful. Now, the 16th Pasuram, Nayaganai Nindra Nandagopanadia Koyil Kapani depiction.
நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய நாயகனாய் நின்ற நந்தகோபனுடைய கோயில் காப்பாரே கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண கோயில் காப்பாரே கொடி தோன்றும் தோரண வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் காட்டிரவாய் வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் காட்டிரவாய் வாயில் காப்பானே மணிக்கதவம் காட்டிரவாய் ஆய சிறுமிய ஓமுக்கு அறிவரை மாயமணி வண்ணன் நின்னலே வாயேதான் மாயமணி வண்ணன் நின்னலே வாயேதான் தூயோமாய் வந்தோம் துயிலெழப்பாடுவான் வாயால் முன்னம் வாயால் முன்னம் மாறாதே அம்மானி வாயால் முன்னம் மாறாதே அம்மானி நேயரிலே கதவம் நீக்கேலோரெம்
In the 17th Pasuram, Andal and Hatoyis are waking up first Nandagopal. Now the doorkeeper has opened the door, moved by the pleas of the gopis and Andal. Having entering the palace, they wake up all the members. They urge their master Nandagopa, who benevolently gives them all they needs to wake up. They urge his wife, the leading light among the cowherd clan, Yashoda Maiya, to wake up. They recall how the Supreme Lord had measured the worlds by cleaving the sky in the middle and growing up into a huge form in Vamana Avatar and urge him to wake up. They pray his brother Balarama that he and his younger brother should wake up and make their commendable and unique prayer fruitful. Now the Pasuram, 17th Pasuram, Ambarame Tannire, Sore Aranchayum, Yemberuman, Nandagopala Elindirai, depiction for.
அம்பரமே தண்ணீரே சோரே அறம் செய்யும் அம்பரமே தண்ணீரே சோரே அறம் செய்யும் அம்பரமே தண்ணீரே சோரே அறம் செய்யும் எம்பெருமான் நந்தகோபாலா எழுந்தீராய் எம்பெருமான் நந்தகோபாலா எழுந்தீராய் கொம்பனார்க்கெல்லாம் கொழுந்தே குலவிளக்கு செல்வா வரதேவா உம்மியும் நீயும் உறங்கேலோரெம்பாவாய்.
Now the 19th Pasuram. After entering the palace, Goda sees that the palace in a room is lit with lampstands on a cot whose legs are carved out of elephant tusks. Shri Krishna is reclining on the bosom of Neela Devi, whose tresses are adorned with fragrant flowers. Goda Devi urges him to wake up and speak. When he does not respond, she urges Neela Devi to wake him up, chiding her for not allowing her lord to be separated from her even for a slight while. She says that this is not befitting the personality of Neela Devi and urges her to wake up and wake up the Lord too, so that the commendable and unique prayer shall be fruitful. Now the 19th Pasuram, Kuttu Vilakkeriya Kotukal Kattil Mel depiction follows.
விளக்கெரிய கோட்டுக்கால் கட்டில் மேல் விளக்கெரிய கோட்டுக்கால் கட்டில் மேல் வெத்தென்ற பஞ்ச சயனத்தின் மேலேறி வெத்தென்ற பஞ்ச சயனத்தின் மேலேறி கொத்தல பூங்குழல்
Andal now sings the glories of Sri Krishna. This is the 22nd Pasura. Here she says, the mighty and powerful rulers of large and beautiful tracts of land have been defeated by the Supreme Lord, are huddled at his doorsteps with their heads bowing in shame, awaiting his command. We devotees have come and bowed our heads to your doorsteps, like these kings, with the hope that you will open your red and lotus-like eyes slightly and favor us with a glance. Even a slight glance from your eyes will shine like the sun and moon, will relieve us of all the sins and curses that plague us, and the unique and commendable prayer that we are observing shall be fruitful. Now the 22nd Pasuram, Anganma Nyalattaraser depiction.
கட்டி
23rd Pasuram. Andal says, here is a beautiful description of a lion waking up from its deep slumber in the rainy season and getting out of its den in a majestic way. Andal compares this majestic manner in which the Lord comes and sits in his throne. He appeals to him to examine the purpose of their visit and bless them so that the commendable and unique prayer shall be fruitful. Now the 23rd Pasuram, Mari Malai Muranji Mannikkirandirangum depiction follows. Here in the 24th Pasuram, Andal describes the glories of Sri Krishna. She says, recalling the glorious deeds of the Lord in his various avatars, like measuring the universe in his strides as Vamana, destroying Sri Lanka as Sri Rama, earning renown for destroying Shatakasura, lifting of the Govardhana Giri like an umbrella, and throwing away the demon disguised as calf, as though it was a mere stone on a sling in Krishna avatar. Andal says that they have come to Lord Krishna reciting the tales of glory and valor again and again to seek his mercy and blessings. She urges him to bless them so that their commendable and unique prayer shall be fruitful. Now the 24th Pasuram, Andri Bulagam Alandai Adipotri depiction follows.
रविवार सोमवार गुरुवार
குடையாய்
हलवा
என்றென்றும் சேவகமே ஏத்தி பறை கொள்வான் என்றென்றும் சேவகமே ஏத்தி பறை கொள்வான் இன்றியம் வந்தோம் இறங்கேலோரென் பாவாய் இன்றியம் வந்தோம் இறங்கேலோரென் பாவாய்
In the next Pasuram, 25th Pasuram, Andal recalls the events of Krishna Avatar. Lord Krishna, though he was born to Devaki, had to keep his identity a secret and grew up as a son of Yashoda Maya. His uncle Kamsa had been foretold that his death would be in the hands of Krishna, the eighth child of Devaki. Unable to bear the possibility that Krishna could be secretly growing up somewhere, Kamsa adopted all kinds of evil design to kill Krishna. Krishna foiled each of this and was a constant terror to Kamsa. Goda says that they have come to learn more and more about and sing praises of the glorious wealth and great valor, which will make all the miseries fade away, give them immense happiness, and make their unique and commendable prayer fruitful. Now, the 25th Pasuram, Uritti Maganai Pirandu depiction follows.
ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து ஒருத்தி மகனாய் மகனாய் ஒளித்து ஒருத்தி மகனாய் பிறந்து தருகில்லானாகி காந்திங்கு நிறைந்த தருகில்லானாகி காந்திங்கு நிறைந்த தருகில்லானாகி காந்திங்கு நிறைந்த தருகில்லானாகி காந்திங்கு நிறைந்த கருத்தை பிழை கருத்தை பிழை கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் பெற நின்ற நெடுமாலே பெற நின்ற நெடுமாலே கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் பெற நின்ற நெடுமாலே கஞ்சன் வயிற்றில் பெற நின்ற நெடுமாலே உன்னை அருகில் வந்தோம் பறை தருதியாகி திருத்தக செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாவாடி திருத்தக செல்வமும் சேவகமும் யாவாடி வருத்தமும் தீர்த்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோரெம் பாவாய் வருத்தமும் தீர்த்து மகிழ்ந்தேலோரெம் பாவாய் ஒருத்தி மகனாய்
In the 26th Pasuram, Andal describes some of the requirements for conducting the unique prayer. Addressing the Lord as one of full of kindness towards his devotees and having a color of a blue gem, she says, O Lord, who reclines on the banyan leaf, kindly grant us white conches which can thunder like your Panchajanya. Wide and huge musical instrument, people who can recite verses of good wishes and blessings, decorative lamps, flags, and festoons, so that the unique and commendable prayer shall be fruitful. Now, the 26th Pasuram, Male Manivanna Malgil Nidaduvan depiction follows.
மாலே மணிவண்ணா மார்கழி நீராடுவான் மாலே மணிவண்ணா மார்கழி நீராடுவான் மேலையா செய்வனகள் வேண்டுவன கேட்டியே மேலையா செய்வனகள் வேண்டுவன கேட்டியே
the 27th Pasuram, all's favorite Pasuram, Gudare Vellum Shri Govinda. Andal describes how their sacred prayer will be conducted. After singing praises of Lord and seeking his blessings, all the austerities observed during the month-long prayer, such as not partaking ghee or milk, and not wearing flowers or eyeliners, etc., will now be concluded with a celebration that will win the appreciation of the whole country. They shall be adorning themselves with beautiful and exquisite ornaments, wearing good clothes, and partake together rice cooked in milk with generous quantities of ghee in it. As they celebrate thus, and the ghee in that preparation flows through their fingers and trickles down their elbows, the unique and commendable prayer shall be fruitful. All of you are supposed to make Chakra Pongal and offer it to Lord Krishna and Andal and eat this day. Now, my Pasuram, Gudare Vellum Shri Govinda depiction follows.
கூடாரை வெல்லும் ஸ்ரீ கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னை பாடி பாறை கொண்டு யாமெரும் சம்மானம் கூடாரை வெல்லும் ஸ்ரீ கோவிந்தா உந்தன்னை பாடி பாறை கொண்டு யாமெரும் சம்மானம் நாடு
In the 29th Pasuram, Chitran Chirugale Vandu Unne Sevithu. Here, Lord Govinda Andal says, please listen and understand the purpose of coming here early in the morning and worshipping you, your lotus feet. Being born in the covered clan, which makes a living by grazing cattle, you cannot refuse to accept services offered by us. Do not for a moment think that we have come here to ask for material boons and blessings. We have come here to tell you, forever, for 7 births to come, we shall not live separated from you. Our services are exclusively only for you. Should any other desires ever crop up in our minds, please see that they are immediately destroyed. Our commendable and unique prayer shall be fruitful. Now, my favorite Pasuram, Chitran Chirugale Vandullai Sevithu depiction follows.
கொட்டாமரை அடியே
concluding Pasuram. In this Pasuram, Andal explains about saying that she is the daughter of Patarbiran of Shrivilliputtur, who is also known as Periya Alvar. She has sung a garland of 30 songs in lovely Tamil, describing how the well-decked and beautiful woman prayed to Lord Madhava, who churned the mighty ocean and is in concert of Lakshmi and attained the fulfillment of their wishes. Those who recite these 30 pasurams regularly without fail shall also attain the grace of God, of Lord Krishna, who has mountain like arms and radiant face, and shall be blessed with the lasting happiness. Now, the 30th Pasuram, Bangakadal Kadainda Madhavane depiction follows.
கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனை வங்கக் கடல் கடைந்த மாதவனை கேசவனை திங்கள் திருமுகத்து சேயிழையா சென்றிரைஞ்சி அங்கப்பறை கொண்ட ஆற்றை அணி புதுவை அங்கப்பறை கொண்ட ஆற்றை அணி புதுவை வைகமல கண் தெரிய பட்டபிரான் கோதை சொன்ன பைங்கமல கண் தெரிய பட்டபிரான் கோதை சொன்ன சங்கர் தமிழ் மாலை மூப்பதும் தப்பாமே சங்கர் தமிழ் மாலை மூப்பதும் தப்பாமே இங்கி பரிசுரைப்பார் ஈரிரண்டு மாதரை தோள் செங்கண் திருமுகத்து செல்வ திருமாலால் எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இன்புறுவர் எம்பாவாய் எங்கும் திருவருள் பெற்று இன்புறுவர் எம்பாவாய்.
It has been a great honor for me to have got this opportunity to present my work on Andal's Tirupavai, which I have shot in soft toys. Apart from this, I have created many other stories like Life of Acharya Ramanujar, Desigar Vaibhavam, Brahma Utsav, Varnamayiram, and stories of 12 Alvars and many other short stories. You can see my other works through my website www.chitraraman.in. I thank the President, the Chairperson, and other managing committee members of Fine Arts Society, and above all, I thank you all for your patient viewing. Namaste.
Thank you all for watching my Tirupavai. Hope you all enjoyed this.
Thanks a lot, Chitra. It was an extraordinary evening for us. சாயங்காலம் வழக்கேற்ற வேளையில ஆத்துல திருப்பாவை. It was so nice, so nice. The house is full of positive energy.
Yeah. If anybody wants to ask any questions or have anything to clarify, they can do that right now. We still have another 5 minutes.
Okay, Chitra, how did you make so many dolls? Where do you store them?
I have a full shelf in my living room, a full cupboard, thanks to Mr. Raman. So I keep all the dolls there. I should say here, my teacher is Revati Sridhar, who taught me to do these dolls.
Oh,
Yeah. So she is my guru.
She has put up some presentations at Fine Arts Navratri.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm a student.
every year.
Yes.
Every year, yeah.
Every year. she puts. Yeah.
Come, you must join Fine Arts so you can put up your show also there sometime.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I put once Ramanuja's story when Swami Velukudi had come.
Yeah, I remember that.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Sorry, Porma, I will leave.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
okay. I think thanks to all
Okay.
those who
Yeah.
participated today, and I'm sure you all must have enjoyed it thoroughly. If you have any comments, please do send it to our email address admin@thefaneartssociety.in, and any other suggestions that you may have also. Thank you very much, and sincere thanks to Chitra Raman also for this wonderful presentation. அது நிறைய பேர் இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் பார்த்தே இருக்க மாட்டேன். This was something new experience for most of us, including me, honestly, and thoroughly enjoyed every this thing.
I should thank my son Govind, who I did
That's
all.
what I wanted to say. Yeah.
Yeah. So he's Govind, he did all the technology
Yes.
work, he did it. Yeah, because of him, he would not have seen this.
Yeah, it was an excellent presentation, Govind.
I know.
Ma'am, I just see Mr. Krishnan.
Govind,
Yeah.
I just see Mr. Krishnan raising his hand. I think he would like to add.
Yeah.
No,
yes, Mr. Krishnan, please go ahead.
That's me. I'm Jaya.
Krishna Gupta is must be appreciating it with his hands up.
I got to see the whole.
அவருக்கு தமிழ் புரியாது.
It was really nice.
गुप्ता जी, आपको कुछ कहना है क्या?
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, बहुत देख रहा हूँ मैं, बहुत बढ़िया लगा.
आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं.
हाँ, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मैं देख रहा हूँ.
Okay. Yes, Krishnan, சொல்லுங்க.
Jaya Krishnan from US. I got to see the whole scene, whole Tirupavai. It was really very nice. I'm Chitra's sister. Chitra Raman's sister. So it was extremely.
Okay. Wonderful.
Yeah, it was very nice, and my pleasure to see from America. It was really very good. Congratulations to Chitra.
Thank you.
That you got up so early in the morning, like Tirupavai says. Yeah.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you also teach how to make dolls?
I have not started teaching.
Okay.
Yeah. It's Revati, she teaches. Revati madam teaches.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have seen it. I've seen the dolls presentations last year at Obalamat.
Yeah.
This time I'm seeing the entire thing of the starting from the process. Really superb. ரொம்ப நன்னா இருக்கு. அது எப்படி சொல்றதுனே தெரியல. It's really fantastic, means fantastic.
Thank you.
So nice.